Project CAD Architecture creates 3D stairs in few clicks. Project CAD Architecture allows you to create a 3D stairs in just few clicks and then easily modify it by double-clicking on the stairs and introducing necessary changes through the parametric object dialog. With Project CAD Architecture, you can easily shape almost any staircase, straight or circular, with or without landing, or even a free-route staircase. You can create any customized shape of your stairs with the help of Polyline. The staircase shaping is carried out simply by defining the values in the parameter dialog. The riser and thread dimensions are calculated on the basis of the staircase length, the difference between elevation and height to cover, and the number of steps. Thanks to Project CAD Architecture's parametric objects, you can quickly shape, as it can be seen in this video, a circular staircase in wood and metal with blue glass steps. With Project CAD Architecture, you avoid all this painstaking work of redrawing that is, for instance, inevitable in traditional generic CAD software. To model the same staircase with a generic CAD becomes a complicated task, as, to modify it further on, in most cases you will need to start your drawing from scratch. While Project CAD Architecture enables you to easily introduce all necessary modifications, and they will be instantly reflected in a 3D model. A 30-day full and free trial version of Project CAD Architecture is available at projectsoft.com/en/architecture.